Hi friend, hope everything is well. You all are well. Now in this video I will discuss about today's Bank Nifty jackpot trade where we able to earn 233 point after the yesterday's loss, and I will also describe how to find this type of jackpot opportunity one day before, and I will discuss about the performance so far. I am talking about this Excel sheet. Using this Excel sheet, you can identify the jackpot trade. So how to do it, I will show you today. But before that, I want to go through the performance for this year so that you can have a idea about what you can expect from this type of trading style. So let's go through the performance this year. As you can see, this year we have total 46 jackpot opportunity so far. Among them, 26 was profitable and 20 was losing one. So net to net, we have gained almost almost 7,700 profit. So this 5377 point of profit we have earned before the lot size has changed, and after the lot size changed to 25 we have gained 2324 point, including today's 233 point that comes after the loss of yesterday's 187 point. So net to net we have 1,92,546 um, profit if you trade with on one lot basis. The risk reward ratio is still maintaining at high level of 2.9, although the accuracy level is not very big enough. But because of the risk reward ratio, this system is well positive. Now I will show you what to do. See, there is three-step process. First step, you have to enter the couple of data. You have to enter the 3 point data of the first 15-minute candle high low, last 15-minute candle high low, or and the days high low. After the market close, you have to enter the data to check whether there is an opportunity or tomorrow or not. If you find if you find there is an opportunity tomorrow, then you have to trade accordingly. How you will trade? You will trade on the breakout of first 15-minute candle. I will show you, but before that let me enter the data. So I will first change the date. I will first change the date of yesterday. The date was 029. So yesterday we have to check. What we have to do is that we have to enter the first 15-minute candle high low of the yesterday. After market close yesterday, we have checked whether there is an opportunity or not. After entering the data, if there is an opportunity next day, you can see that here is a no, tomorrow is a jackpot day, it should come yes over here. So let's enter the data of the high low. The high of the first 15-minute candle yesterday was 23893 and the low was 23652.35. I have entered the first set of data. Now I will enter the days high low. See, I have seen that yesterday's high low. If I see the yesterday's high, then this is the high of the yesterday, and that was 23,970. And the low yesterday was happened in this candle or in this candle. Let's see. Yeah, this candle low is 23502.2 and this is 23501. Yes, this was the low candle and we have to enter the low value here. The low was 23501. That's it. I have entered the second set of data also. Now I have to enter the last 15-minute candle data of yesterday. Remember, after yesterday's market we have put this data to check whether there is a trade today or not. If there is a trade, then this should change to yes. Now enter the last 15-minute candle, the high, that is 231. 954 and the low 2323 883 As you can see, after entering all this data, it says yes, tomorrow is a jackpot day. If it says tomorrow is the jackpot day, then what you have to do? Step 3, you have to trade on a breakout of first 15-minute candle. You have to exit at 3 p.m. if the stop loss is not taken out, and your stop will be using high or low of the first 15-minute candle. Now let's see what we have done today. See, this was the first 15-minute candle today, and the high was 24079, and the high was 24079, and low was 23836. So we have entered a sell stop loss market order to sell at 23836, and we have put a stop loss buy order to buy at 24079. As you can see that the low has been broken and our sale order has been executed. The stop loss buy order at 24079 was risk as a pending order throughout the day, because that eventually act as a stop loss for this trade, and we have exited the trade at the close of the 12:45 candle, that is at 3 p.m., and the close was around 23603. So with that, our short entry was at 23,836. Our stop loss was 24,079. That was around 243 point of risk, but eventually we ended the day good, and we closed at 23,603. So it's bring us a 233 point of profit after yesterday's 187 point loss. As you can see, after series of positive day, it interrupted by red J. We lost 97 point on 20th of August, and we lost 187 point recently. But I also want to show you one factor that this trading strategy has a tendency to give consecutive losses also. See, in these consecutive six trading day, we have lost 688 point. But then eventually, following couple of days trade in next six trade, we have earned 1604. So it is recommended that once you start trading a system that is well researched and that has a long history, then you should follow the strategy whatever may be the result, and this way you can cover up the losses, and at the end the chance of getting a net positive return increase significantly. That's it so far. Thank you for your time. Until next, take care. Goodbye.